This Diwali, I am baking a dessert inspired by one of my favorite mithais, that is Ras Malai. We are making an Eggless Ras Malai cake without an oven so that all of you who don't have an oven can still enjoy this super delicious dessert. Let's get started. So in a bowl, I am first adding some homemade dahi along with baking soda. Let's give them a good mix. This looks good. I am now going to add in some sugar along with vegetable oil, some kevra extract and a few drops of yellow gel food color. This is nicely combined. It's now time to sift in the maida and some baking powder. Now using my spatula, I am going to gently fold the dry mix in until everything's nicely combined. Now in a separate bowl, I am taking some hot milk, and into this add in a few strands of saffron and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it together and then add it into our Ras Malai cake batter. My batter is ready. I am now going to transfer it into a 6-inch cake pan that I've greased and lined with parchment paper. Instead of baking my cake in an oven today, I'll be using this very stunning versatile pressure cooker from Stahl. It comes with a clasp-on lid which makes it so easy to operate and a breeze to cook with. It's elegant yet robust and beautiful yet reliable. And the best part, that it's made using the finest quality tri-ply which makes my cooking faster and safer. I'll add some regular salt into this cooker along with the stand. Then close the lid and preheat it for about 10 minutes. My cooker is preheated. I'm going to add the cake pan in, close the lid again and cook my cake for about 55 to 60 minutes on medium heat. My cake has cooked completely. I'm going to take it out and divide it into 2 layers. I also made another cake earlier which I'm going to divide into 2 layers as well and assemble a 4-layer Ras Malai cake in total. For the frosting, I've whipped 3 cups of whipping cream, and now into this I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk infused with saffron and cardamom. To assemble, I am going to brush the first layer of cake with the infused milk and cover it with our Ras Malai whipped cream. So I've stacked all 4 layers. I'm also now going to frost the sides and top of my cake, and once that's done, I'm going to make some swirls on top and cover the sides with some pista. I have some mini Ras Malai here and I'm going to add this in the center of my cake. I had too much fun making this cake in the pressure cooker today, and I'm sure your family will enjoy eating it too. If you guys end up making this recipe in your kitchen, share a picture on Instagram and tag me at Shivesh17. I'll see you guys next week with another recipe. Until then, happy baking and happy Diwali.